The Spectrum Retreat.
Ah, you're awake. Look, I don't have the right to keep these private things from you. No one does, but your memories need to return gradually. Otherwise, this hotel, this simulation that's keeping you prisoner, will collapse and you might lose your mind entirely. I couldn't just leave you stranded in here. You didn't agree to this. Hang on.
Nam kontrolliert doch schon. Kontrollieren da rồi.
Morning. You look as though you had a restless night. Perhaps some food might help. Breakfast is being served in our restaurant downstairs. I'll let the host know you're on your way. Enjoy your stay.
The cycle depends on your participation, otherwise it stops. You have to go to the restaurant. All this, it'll make sense soon, I promise. Whatever you see, whatever you hear, focus on getting out. The restaurant's just the trigger for the cycle to play out.
I'm afraid I'll be working on the elevator a little longer. And while our rooftop area is being refurbished, it is strictly off limits for your safety. Morning. I hope you are well.
Good morning.
Please, we are at your service. We are here for you.
Good morning.
Are you lost? Can I help you with anything?
I hope everything is to your satisfaction. Good morning. Morning.
Morning.
Mind the gap. Mind the spill. Mr. Crow is responsible. Sid.
Sid.
Please be seated. Sid.
오늘은 미시에 빛난
You think you're the only one in pain? We don't have anything now. Maybe we never had anything. It's our fault. We are to blame and no one else. We failed Robin. We're going to lose the house. We've already lost our son. Why are you doing this? We're going to lose everything if you don't come back. What don't you understand? You can't put this right. What are you doing?
Mr. Matthews?
System is broken. Please. Not velocity. It's broken. It can't be fixed.
There's the other options. It's not a decision of the life.
You will be free today. You, your children, can sign up.
Alex, hold on. Alex? Oh, thank God. Oh, I thought I'd lost you. I know the memories hurt. I know you probably want to forget, but that's one last thing I need you to remember. I need you to know why you were put in here. Oh, come on. We've come this far. Get to floor 4 and we'll see what you're up against this time.
야이야, 낚시스나시, 아싹지르가나시, 어시집에 가시오가시, 썸미.
You know the drill by now. Take the elevator to the 4th floor.
Oh, bro. Tamamen yapacaklar.
Oh, we're nearly there, Alex. We're gonna make this right.
Chickring. Telefonik paradox. بس تماني كنارو telefonik paradox.
I'm sorry. I only just left the office. You wouldn't believe the day I've had. I'm just... Sweetheart, for crying out loud, I said I'm sorry. I'm nearly at the station. I'll
Who
be
is
as
that?
quick as I can.
How is that? Something's different. These memories of yours, I don't know how they're seeping out of the access points. Just find the next one.
Would you
Something
stop?
else goes wrong.
I'm sorry I'm late. This damn couple today, they're gonna lose their kid. You think you got problems? Would you just give it a...
What the hell was that? Is someone else there? Hello?
You've reached Jake Matthews, Indigo Health Insurance. Please leave a message after the tone.
Matthews. Matthews, if you're there, please pick up. Matthews, it's Alex. Oh, God. Too late. Matthews. Matthews!
What? This can't be real. This... Oh, your readings are going crazy. Something nearby. It's another QA access key, but it's making my displays go crazy. Whatever you're looking at, it's throwing up error messages for me. See if there's anything else in the room. That's a book from the library. The hotel has the library. Find it. I'll try and find the details about this book on the system.
Library. Dapat dilihat. Teka na nga, tano kakiso nga si. Pinasok lang kang nang. First floor. I should have shut up. Oh. Kasi sasabu. Umibot. Tukangisa. Library. Gimana ada siapa ni kau ngeterkak sih selalu. Nah. Library. Oh, dan nào. Tilsam qaasaq sungaatiarnikuun mataa sumingas bildin narlu taava positive ulikkaarluni.
There, got it. The book is called The Reader's Perspective. Does that mean anything to you?
Hi. If you are looking for something specific, Perhaps I can help.
Hello.
Oh, I didn't expect to see you here.
Employee 237 entry. The investigation has finally reached my department. This scandal has legs. I'm not sure how wide-reaching this issue is, but there's no malpractice on my end. There's a lot wrong with Spectrum. There always would be with a company that's grown as fast. I'm not sure how they expect us to personally monitor each user for safety and mental well-being. The reality is that the best we can offer is our sweeping algorithms to pick up outliers. The ability for an employee to observe and interact with users in an ongoing session should and will remain restricted. That said, the decision to allow unlimited session length in the beta was certainly pushing it. I guess we didn't grow so fast by playing it safe. Move fast, make mistakes.
좋아. 되게 구조가 좋아.
Here you will find perhaps the most silent space in the Penrose.
내 박삭 비싼 robot công Lột ta chính cái gì robot công nên 내 박삭 비싼 cái gì.
The library has everything you need, in the library, just like the Penrose itself.
If you get confused, go back to the last one you tried and look again.
Employee 237 entry. I'm convinced that there's value to be found in what we do. Escapism has always existed, in one form or other. We just do it better than anyone else. I have doubts, though. The sort of clients we've attracted, they're not all looking for a break from work. There's a danger here that some people are using this to hide from very real issues. The regulations around client acceptance should help, but there's still people in there from earlier. The data purge that followed the scandal means that in all honesty we don't know a lot about some of the people that are in there right now. We need to do better.
Try that last one again. Maybe it's pointing to something behind what it's looking at.
Behind.
Oh, you'll get there. You came this far, you can do this. I know it.
Wait, what? Guess. Có hình sửa.
I'll be damned. It was there all along. Alex!
What are you doing? It is exceedingly unusual for our guests to be so interested in the history of this retreat. Most irregular, you might say.
Tama-tama na to. Baka yung kailangan to nag-reaction lang ng emotion.
Shit, we don't have much longer. Between the guard programs and whatever's happening to you, I don't think we can hide what we're doing anymore. Get to the floor 4 access point quickly.
Okay. Agos! 이제 시와 저주신 냈지 봐.
Don't do this. Please. Please.
Yeesh.
Please, Alex, we're so nearly there. You're so close to understanding how gravely you've been wronged. Stay focused. This is how we'll get you out of there.
나 지금 역시만 다음부터 시작 보시지 왜 아삭지 부기시험이 보시지 봐요 어이 Awesome. Tama tingak saksak so yun sure naman ang. Okay. Siya apa yun? naniyak si Mao. What the fuck? Yeah. Oh. Sesuatu. Menak pada mari sesaso. Aku nakan. Okay. Apa sih? Bằng này chưa xong là đủ rồi. Tôi có chụp vô cả khi sao ba. Apa itu? Sini masyarakat reaction. Tawa. Tenimon. Jauh sana mu. Tawa. Tampak senawang ah. Ah. Positivi. Bravo. Dava spillinget slags achter. Nou, een naam Dava. Oh, na? Mas karara. Untuk anak sendang ya. Tukar susuk. Apa itu? Apa itu? Tunggu yuk. Tuh. Dava, kau sopa yujo? Apa itu tidak kira? Apa koksok perutto? Ngapa itu? Apa itu? Isn't I don't care where you Dabei die Pajaosnaunga Abme Ai Dava Apa itu? Hey, gimana? Dava apa itu aku meringan nih? Apa itu cingulungu? Dava kan nih? Pertama Chúa nhìn nhá Ini apa itu? Apa itu? Naroon tamat to siya naksugisyon tamat to na mashiwa ka. Nikaksin na ngayami. Tawag ko na maringan ni. Dava apa itu? Apa itu sungai di sikan ni? Apa itu? Apa itu? Apa itu? Medyo na po na chichok pa. Apa itu? Ito siya kayo pa. Gusto pa itu daw nakisakaso. Ayla. Apa itu? Gusto pa ito na kano inisiniyari nga. Ako namin. Gusto pa ito at yun yung inisisutin. Tawacin ko kaya nana ko siya wakia. Tawag ko siya pa yung tabi ko na singungan. Kuna anisanas. Kaya. Huwag naman nalang masosok ko. Yuri. Ising-isa ka to siya noon mo to. Narwaso tama to ni sinaklo ko. Ito siya. Tava koksopertok sekak kaya kapong. Pampa. Ow. Understand. Why? Apa tok sa mga nisisinta ba? Doon na rin naksyon. Dawa ka, saksok ka siya nga. Hita kaya kay hawa ka. Namiyo na. Fukushima. Jangan tek. Awesome. Và sắp con không mình là chỉ ngoài sắp chỉ nắp tới xả chi ra một con này mà đã gạt xuống đã xíu xíu gạt và hai người xưa mà sốc Dava Aperto semensinya Sunga Dava tapi susah kita untuk kita kayak kasyaga Dava ngo Ongi suoni bato yang ada. Apa itu? Apa itu kan ini sini lagi? Nah, ini loh. Jika aku sih, apa? Akaju apa itu? Apa itu? Aksen ini panas. Mau cerita ya? Apa? Isin naksunga. Ya, bango. Dia skip pindah pa itok shoot po. Tao kok super toming ako kanoodin niya nga. Tama ayun na. Yan na yung nangtuwa nga ro kanananis sa sokso na. Cina kayak tungan mong na ichimuskipin na nga siya nga 3. Właśnie nie są to na to chciało. Coffee. Koksin nangiran. Mas kokoksimo. Ternyata ko ito siyang kon. Ternyata ko kinakan yung email. Now nga! Mga nakaksadik ko namin gito. Dava, ikakoma. Hoptukato. Dava. Busak lon kaksinam. Tunggu tok. Dah masuk semua di sini kah? Apa itu? Isang nama. Datang tok. Kusu. Banyak po ang isingsan. Dapat pertengahatan nakwatas. I told you. Gawin ng sakso ako na sila. Gawin gituin na si Maya. Ito. Dana. Namas yun. Busy. Squishy busy. 또 막내쳐 똑같이 잡아 낚시나 맞뚜둥어요 또 동아시아 시윤이 시자미 잡아 커플 떡선이 똑같이 나봐 Kung nó trong tốt là khô năng được phá upper top super chỉ sọc sọc bay cô xuống người ta cô gì đó đọc hết được cái gì đó à giảm nào Aba, sa kanya sa na. Gusto. Daming hontan na kanon niya. Nakakauma? Ano nakakisinta na nga? Sumisilingkan. Ako sumisilingkan. No reason. Dava. Non semua tok fishery. No. Oh. Nakakokdo tungas at si mama. Pam-pa-pa-pa-pam-ba-pa. Pam-ba-da-pa-pa-pa-pa. Nakakayo, tawag ko sa palititsing mo. Ito. Ako sa palito. Palito. Ako sa palito kakpatas yan eh. Simulaks na daw. Daba? Palito ko. Nakaya kaswa ako sa palito chingmo. Daba o na chingungan eh. Ikaklo eh. Daba? Berarti kasih Java ah? Mission? Okay. Now finish. Kijami, pesak na basniak sa pa. Complete si Kijami. Kunat, tama tusukin na siya ng asin.
Wait, Crow? Wright and Matthews. Matthews? Why is that name so familiar? Wait. Jake Matthews? No. That can't be right. Jake Matthews was killed.
Positiivia rikkotaisartu. Ammassivit sallamisuliassaqangala tiitaakkunaat.
There's only one more floor to go, and then you can leave.
So, nanaqtarerpoqasit qonisinartumpisinarsarsmassus tamsibai tullinan matakus tullianimuna yumaqqara taannas pillitamaat. Copy.